So, hey guys, this is your health coach Rahul, and today I am going to talk about lockdowns. Do lockdowns really work? And that's one important question that we should be asking ourselves, not the government. And if they do work, how do they work? So, they certainly do work. They work on lowering our immune system. So, if lockdowns work on lowering our immune system, shouldn't we be doing something to improve our immune system? What if I give you some tips by the end of this video? Tips what supplements to take, what things to do to improve your immune system. Won't that be great? Because we can't take decisions about lockdowns. We are the victims of the decisions taken by the government about lockdowns. But what we can at least do positively is look after our health, be in control of our health and not fall sick. That's one thing what we can do. So what happens in lockdowns? Lockdowns are like lockdowns load your gun, and the environment that you get exposed to later after the lockdowns pulls the trigger and makes you fall sick. So what happens? Lockdowns load your gun. It's like it makes you metabolically, physiologically, psychologically vulnerable. Physiologically, why? Because you don't exercise, you don't move enough, you don't breathe well. Psychologically, why? Because you're stressed, you're worried, you're anxious about your future. You're not used to the environment that you sit at home and do stuff. So you're sitting idle. So a lot of things are happening psychologically also, where people are getting vulnerable to psychological illnesses, and fear and anxiety has increased, depression has increased. All these things are not reported, unfortunately, but this is the truth. And in this kind of an environment, physiological and psychological environment, nothing happens but your immune system drops down and you become more prone to infections. When you finally get out again exposing yourself to the same environment what you are used to after the lockdown, that environment pulls the trigger and bang, you fall sick. So the same environment is something that we should be prepared for. And how do we prepare for that? By keeping ourselves healthy. So I'm going to share the tips at the end of the video on how to stay healthy during the lockdown and how to remain or keep your immune system in the top gear. So fever is nothing but a reaction of your body due to lowered immune system, your lowered immunity. So all we got to do is keep your immune system up and stay away from fever and no fear. So lockdown effect, what happens in lockdown generally? Number one thing, people stay indoors, so no sunlight, and sunlight is so essential. We are beings of sunlight. Without sunlight we cannot survive. So sunlight, vitamin D3 is involved in many processes at the DNA level, so at the cellular level. So if you are deficient in vitamin D3, your immune system is already compromised. So not getting out of the house, not getting exposed to sunlight is again going to make you more vulnerable to illnesses, make you more vulnerable to fall sick. Your immune system is going to go down. So vitamin D3, get out as much as possible, get out in the sun. Lockdown doesn't mean you're locked inside the house and you can't go out and take sun. No one has asked you to stay inside the house all the time. You can always go out and spend that half an hour, 20 minutes in the sun. We move less physical movement leads to low muscular health. Senior citizens suffer a lot because of less physical movement. Even adults, youth, children, everyone suffers. And your circulatory system is very, very important. Your blood, your lymph, they both are a part of your circulatory system. All the muscles, all the organs need the circulatory system to move well. And your immune system, which is basically moves through your circulatory system to each and every corner of your body, is now affected because you are moving less. Yes, you are moving less. So it's again primary that you do some kind of activity at home. It can be Surya Namaskar, it can be stretching, it can be pranayam, because breathing also is a movement. It will keep you calm, it will keep you peaceful, it will keep you positive, it will also activate your parasympathetic nervous system, so many things. So do breathing exercises, do Surya Namaskars, do some squats, some push-ups, some walking. No one has asked you not to walk. You can walk inside the house, you can go outside and walk in areas which you feel safe, but please do the movement, because movement is connected with your circulatory system, and circulatory system, that's your blood and your lymph, is connected with your immune system. So if that is compromised, your immune system goes down and you become more prone to infections and then fever. So let's get away from it. Let's look after our health and improve our immune system. What next we need to do? What is the other lockdown effect? People eat, drink, smoke, and exercise less, obviously. So people tend to eat more. That's what I've seen during the lockdown. People tend to drink more and people also smoke more. It's obviously the reasons are again psychological, fear, anxiety, stress. People just want to feel okay. People just want to feel good. People want to feel happy, stress free, and food is the easiest way to get out and feel good. Sugary stuff, sweet stuff is always something that people look forward to. When you associate those things with good memories, you end up doing the same things. But unfortunately, more sugary stuff that you eat, more inflammation, more chances of you falling sick. So stay away from sugary foods, stay away from juices, soft drinks, stay away from alcohol, do not smoke, because all these things will only stress you out, lower your immune system, and make you prone to fall sick. And we don't want to have fever in these circumstances at all. So remember, primary focus in lockdown should be keeping your immune system up, maintaining your immunity. So lockdown effect, finally the trigger, and when you get out after lockdown, when we get out, the same environment now pulls the trigger to make you fall sick. Maintain your immune system, stay healthy, keep moving. And the immune system's first reaction is to elevate body temperature, to fight the same microbes which earlier were not a threat. They were not a threat earlier, but now in this lockdown, what has happened? Because you've not moved, not exercised, being stressed, your immune system is down. Now the same environment, the same dust makes you sneeze, gives you cold, gives you fever, and now bang, you go out for a test, turn out positive, more stress, nothing really helps. So work on your immune system, that's the only way out. Fever is just an essential defense mechanism that you and me, everyone experiences. Yeah. So lockdown effect, what other things can happen? How to stay healthy and boost immune system during a lockdown? Number one, supplement yourself with the essential vitamins and nutrients. Number two, breathing exercises. Number three, movement, something like Surya Namaskar, push ups, squats, walking, spot jogging, do whatever. Move. Half an hour, 45 minutes minimum every day. Number four, stay away from sweet, sugary food, drinks, sugary drinks, alcohol, fruit juices. Yes, you heard me right. Fruit and fruit juices are only going to make you sick. Yeah, so make sure you remain away from the sugary stuff. Do not have alcohol, please. Eat nutrient dense foods like animal protein. Plan your meals around protein. So, if non vegetarians, plan your meals around animal protein. If vegetarians, plan your meals around paneer, around cheese, around nuts. Make sure that you have these healthy proteins in each of your meals and cook your meals in olive oil, in ghee, in sesame seed oil, that's till oil, mustard oil, but all should be cold pressed oils. Make sure that the medium of cooking of oils is saturated fat. Throw that vegetable oil can outside your house. Do not use vegetable oils because they are pro-inflammatory, and whatever creates inflammation makes you fall sick. So maximum cases I have seen till date during the entire pandemic, people fall sick because they eat vegetable oils, not just at home but also from outside, and are exposed to food which is not made at home. So if you're not in control of the food that you eat, more chances of you falling sick. And vegetable oils, refined oils are number one reason that people fall sick. So stay away from it. If you're using vegetable oils, remove them right away and start using sesame seed oil, cold press oil, coconut oil, ghee, butter, mustard oil, traditional oils which are cold pressed for cooking food. It will solve 50% of your problems of your health. So, what else can we do to improve our immune system? So, zinc citrate, picolinate, these are some supplements that you should be taking on a daily basis, and certain supplements on a weekly basis. So, zinc citrate or picolinate 50 to 100 mg on a daily basis, morning. Magnesium glycinate 400 to 1200 mg, evening. Cod liver tablets about 2000 mg per meal. It can be 2 to 3 tablets. That's about 400 mg per meal. In a day, you should have at least 2000 mg of cod liver oil. Vitamin D3, you should have 1 lakh units for 4 weeks. You can again take a break of 3 months and again repeat from the 4th month onwards. So every month per week, 1 lakh units of vitamin D3 is something what you should be taking, unless you have been detected as having vitamin D3 toxicity. That means elevated vitamin D3 levels. But most of the Indians are deficient in vitamin D3. B vitamins, very important for vegetarians. Non-vegetarians also are not really great eaters, so non-vegetarians, so B vitamins once a day at least, and 1 teaspoon of pink salt in water, a glass of water, uh, either in the morning or just push it or mix it in a bottle and keep sipping throughout the day. So if you follow these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tips at the end of the day, you can maintain your immune system. If you exercise, if you breathe well, you can maintain your immune system. If you stay away from the sweet stuff, you can maintain your immune system. If you change your cooking oil and make it to saturated fat, cold press oils, you can maintain your immune system. And the chances of you falling sick will be minimal. So this is your health coach Rahul Patil. Now signing off, and uh, this was my effort of helping people stuck in the lockdown. You can ask me any questions about health, fitness, or how to maintain the immune system, how to reverse diabetes, how to reverse obesity on my website, that is mygenetic.com. Or you can also get in touch with me on mygenetic nutrition on Instagram, or email me on mygeneticnutrition@gmail.com. This is your health coach signing off, Rahul Patil.